हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पी आर नॉलेज सेंटर। तो आज हम करेंगे फोरम आईएएस का टेस्ट नंबर 21। ये तो एनवायरनमेंट का है, इंग्लिश में है, फिलहाल समझ जाओगे, ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। तो चलिए हम क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक ही रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि आप 1 से लेकर 50 तक ओएमआर शीट ले लीजिए या फिर नंबरिंग कर लीजिए और क्वेश्चन को मेरे आंसर बताने से पहले बताइए और देखिए अब कितने क्वेश्चन सही हो रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए पहला क्वेश्चन। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग: Carabid beetles and centipedes, flies and termites, wasps, parasitoid species are found in how many of the above kind of organism? 2, 3, 4, all 5. पहले जान लीजिए पैरासिटॉइड होता क्या है। तो एक ऐसा ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है दैट हैज यंग दैट डेवलप वन और विद इन अनदर ऑर्गेनिज्म, जो किसी और ऑर्गेनिज्म पे रहता है और इवेंचुअली किलिंग इट, और उसको मार भी सकता है। एंड पैरासिटॉइड हैव द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ बोथ प्रीडेटर्स एंड पैरासाइट, मतलब इनका प्रीडेटर मतलब कीट बच्ची या मारने वाला भी होता है और रहने वाला भी होता है, मतलब दूसरे के ऊपर होस्ट पे। तो पैरासिटॉइड स्पीसीज आर फाउंड, तो कौन कौन से स्पीसीज हैं वो? तो वो हैं, एक तो कैराबिड बीटल भी है, और ये है फ्लाइज भी है, और ये वैस्प भी है। टर्माइट और सेंटीपेड्स नहीं है, तो आंसर हो जाएगा 3। With reference to the biodiversity on Earth, consider the following statement: more than 70% of all the species recorded on Earth are plants. One of the animal species on the Earth, more than 70% are insect. And the number of the fungi species in the world is more than the combined total of the species flies, fishes, reptiles, and mammals. Which of the following is correct? 2, 3, 2, 3, and 3, and 1, 4. तो इसमें पहला गलत है। इसमें पहला कह रहा है कि more than 70%। देखिए, more than 70% of all the species recorded on the till date are animal plants, including इसमें algae, fungi, barfly, gymnosperm, angiosperm है। तो comprise about 22% are total recorded species, तो ये गलत है। And second, third is right, option will be B. Next है statement वाला: with reference to the biodiversity on Earth, consider the following statement. Statement first है: the tropical region have greater biological diversity than the temperate region. Okay. Unlike tropical regions, temperate regions have undergone frequent glaciation in the past. तीसरा है: tropical region generally experience more diverse and uneven climate condition as compared to the temperate region. Which of the following is our correct statement? Statement क्या है? Both second and third is right, and correct explanation of first statement. And both second and third is right, but not not explained first statement. And only one of the first and second are correct, that explain statement first, and neither second neither third is correct. कौन सा सही है इसमें? इसमें first is right. Tropical region have the greater biodiversity than the temperate region. And second statement also correct. Unlike tropical region, temperate region have undergoes frequent glaciations in past. Yeah, इस ये मतलब एक तो explain कर रहा है. The tropical region generally experience more diverse and uneven climate condition as compared to the temperate region. This is not right, because temperate region generally experience more diverse and uneven climate condition compared to the tropical region. Then ऑप्शन सी, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड वन, मतलब इसमें से कोई एक सही है जो करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रहा है फर्स्ट की। नेक्स्ट है: विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब द टर्म स्पीसीज रिचनेस? स्पीसीज रिचनेस क्या होता है? देखिए, स्पीसीज रिचनेस होता है नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज फाउंड इन स्पेसिफिक एरिया, मतलब एक स्पेसिफिक एरिया में जो बहुत सारे स्पीसीज पाए जाते हैं उनको। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट: some microorganism can grow in environment with temperature above the boiling point, मतलब बॉइलिंग पॉइंट से ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर पे कुछ स्पीसीज रह सकते हैं। वहीं कुछ स्पेसिस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है वो इन्वायरमेंट में बहुत लो टेम्परेचर मतलब फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट पर भी सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं। थर्ड स्टेटमेंट है सम माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म कैन ग्रो इन हाईली एसिडिक एनवायरनमेंट विद ए पीएच वे एबव। मतलब 3 पीएच से कम एसिडिक एरिया में भी रह सकते हैं कुछ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म। इसमें से कौन सा कथन सही? देखिए, जब सम सम करके आए तो उसमें से रेयरली चांसेस ये होते हैं कि क्वेश्चन आपका गलत हो। तो इसका आंसर जो हो जाएगा वो है सभी की सभी बातें बिल्कुल ही सही है। नेक्स्ट है द टर्म इविल क्वार्टेट is used to describe the most significant cause leading to the accelerated rate of biodiversity loss. In this context, consider the following: habitat loss and fragmentation, alien species invasion, overexploitation, and natural resource. How many of the above are part of the evil quadrant? आंसर यहाँ पर हो जाएगा आल तीन होते हैं। नेक्स्ट है with reference to the powers and function of the National Biodiversity Authority, consider the following statement. It provides advice to the central government on issue of conservation, sustainable use and access of benefit sharing of India biological resources. All foreign and Indian nationals require prior approval of NBA for obtaining biological resource and are associated knowledge for research. It has the authority to notify threatened species in the consultation with the central government. It declares area biodiversity importance as biodiversity heritage site in India. Which of the following statement is correct? 7. Answer only one is right. It provides advice to the central government on issue of conservation and sustainable use and access and benefit sharing India's biological resource. Yes, this is correct statement. And second is incorrect because all foreign and organization need prior approval from the NBA to access biological resources and associated knowledge for use. However, Indian national do not require prior approval for the NBA. Okay, and it has the authority to notify no because under the Biological Diversity Act 2002, the central government in the consultation with the NBA is responsible for the notifying threatened species and regulating or prohibiting their collection, rehabilitation, and conservation. However, the NBA itself does not have the authority to notify threatened species. It declares area biodiversity important on biodiversity heritage sites in India. It's also wrong. The authority to declare area biodiversity importance as biodiversity heritage site lies with the respective of state government, not by the NBA. Okay, then only one is right. Next statement. With reference to the biodiversity hotspot, consider the following statement. The United Nations Environment Programme designated biodiversity hotspots worldwide. A region must contain at least 1,500 endemic species of animal to qualify as a biodiversity hotspot. Obviously, there are 4 biodiversity hotspots present in India. How many statements are correct? Uh, First is incorrect because the United Nations no. The concept of biodiversity hotspot was introduced by the scientist Norman Mayer, later Conservation International, not in adopted by ideas. Okay, conservation of international के द्वारा था ये wrong है. A region must contain at least 1,500. It uh, ये जो है it is correct. And officially there are 4 biodiversity hotspot present. नहीं ये करेक्ट है 4 हॉटस्पॉट है हिमालय इंडो बर्मा सुंडालैंड एंड वेस्टर्न घाट है लेकिन ये गलत है इनकरेक्ट है बिकॉज 2 स्ट्रिक्ट क्राइटेरिया है इसके लिए to have the at least 1500 vascular plant not a species animal only one is correct option A होगा next है with reference to the biodiversity conservation, consider the following conservation method. Zoological park, botanical park, cryo preservation, and sacred growth. How many of the above given are in situ conservation method? Only one, only two, only three, or all? Answer really फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट, जूलॉजिकल पार्क होगा। एंड एक सीटू कंजर्वेशन मतलब जो अपने स्थान से ले जाके दूसरे स्थान पर इसको रखा जाए, जैसे जूलॉजिकल पार्क एनिमल्स को कहीं अलग रखते हैं ना वहाँ से अपने स्थान से। बोटेनिकल गार्डन भी है और क्राई प्रिजर्वेशन ये भी है। और ये जो है इनकरेक्ट है, ये सैक्रेड क्रूज नहीं है, तो 3 है सही, ऑप्शन सही। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्पीसीज रेप्टाइल्स एम्फीबियन बर्ड, हाउ मेनी ऑफ द एबव स्पीसीज आर जनरली कोल्ड ब्लडेड। कोल्ड ब्लडेड कौन से हैं जो मतलब अपने बॉडी के टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे होते हैं या हिबरनेशन वगैरह में चले जाते हैं। तो वो रेप्टाइल्स हैं और एम्फीबियंस हैं, लेकिन बर्ड नहीं होती इसमें, तो 1 and 2 इज राइट, 2 ऑप्शन। Consider the following statement. Cashew, papaya, red sanders. How many above are trees are actually native to India? मतलब कौन से इसमें इंडिया के नेटिव हैं? तो कैस्यू जो काजू है, ये कहाँ से आया था? ब्राजील से आया था। पपाया जो है ये कहाँ से आया था? पपाया यहाँ का नहीं, मिडिल अमेरिका का है। हाँ, मिडिल अमेरिका का है। तो इस मतलब सॉरी सेंट्रल अमेरिका का है। तो ये वार्म सब ट्रॉपिकल एरियाज में पाया जाता है। ये जो फिलीपींस द्वारा लाया गया था मलेशिया में एंड एटलीस्ट इंडिया में आया था सच है। तो ये गलत हो, बाकी सैंडर्स है अपने इंडिया का नेटिव और इंडेमिक टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड ये कहाँ पर? आंध्र में। ओके, तो ओनली 1 इज करेक्ट, ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट, पिक्चर प्लांट नेपथेंस एंड स्नैक प्लांट sundew. Which of the following are insectivorous carnivorous plant, मतलब कीट भक्षी पौधे होते हैं, कौन से हैं इसमें से? तो ये कौन कौन से होते हैं? पहला है पिचर प्लांट है, नेपेंथिस है, स्नैक प्लांट ये नहीं है, बाकी सैंड्यू है। तो ऑप्शन 1 and 1 to 4 ऑप्शन सी। नेक्स्ट है मेडिसिनल प्लांट फाउंड इन इंडिया एंड देयर यूजेस। कुछ जिसे सुरसेना रैपा बोलते हैं, यूज्ड एन एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी एजेंट। एलोवेरा है, यूज्ड इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ स्किन बर्न एंड स्किन इरिटेशन। एंड सर्पगंधा है, इसे रोवोल्फिया सर्पेंटिना बोलते हैं, यूज्ड टू रिड्यूस हाइपरटेंशन एंड एंजाइटी। ऑल स्टेटमेंट आर मैच, देन आंसर विल बी सी। तभी सही है भाई, सही कथन है सभी का। नेक्स्ट है 14। Consider the following statement about the Animal Welfare Board of India. It was established under the Prevention and Cruelty to Animal Act 1960. It operates under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. It empowered to provide financial assistance to recognized animal welfare organizations. Animal Welfare Board of India was established in 1962. Statutory body. PCA Act 1962 promote animal welfare and prevent cruelty act. Animal Initiative. Initially, the Animal Welfare Board of India was under the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change, but now the AWBI now function under the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Third statement is also correct. One of the most important functions of the board is to provide financial assistance to recognize the animal welfare organization. The application in the prescribed format received from the AWOS are scrutinized and eligible applications are placed before the board for section of grant. Financial assistance is released in 2 installments after obtaining audited statement and account and utilization certificate for the earlier grant and satisfactory inspection reports. Okay. Then answer all is right. Okay. Consider the following statement. Some mushroom have medicinal property and some mushroom have psychoactive properties and some mushroom have the insecticidal property and some mushroom have the bioluminescent property. How many of the above statement are correct? All are correct. यहाँ सम की बात आ जाएगी, मैक्सिमम सही होगा। Consider the following descriptions. The species are listed under the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It is endemic of the Western Ghats. It is primarily inhabit high altitude open montane grassland. The largest population of the species is found in Eraviculum National Park. Which of the following species best matches the description given above? Answer will be Nilgiri Tahar. Next, consider the following statement about Gangetic dolphin. It is found only in the brackish water. It is an herbivorous species that primarily feed on aquatic vegetarian. It is only Gangetic dolphin sanctuaries is located in the state of Uttar Pradesh. How many statements are given correct? None. First is incorrect. It is found only in brackish water. Brackish water, no. A Gangetic dolphin is obligatory freshwater species and can survive in the freshwater. And though they used to be found in brackish waters on Sundarban, now they are not typically found in the Sundarban due to the increased salinity level. And it is a herbivorous species than the primary feed on the aquatic vegetarian. It also encourages Gangetic dolphin is carnivores, primarily feeding on fish and other small aquatic animal, not aquatic vegetation, being functionally blind. Okay. And India's only Gangetic dolphin sanctuary is located in the Uttar Pradesh. It's also wrong. In India's only sanctuary is dedicated to the Gangetic dolphin. Bikramshila Gangetic dolphin sanctuary, which is located in state of Bihar, not in Uttar Pradesh. Consider the following statement in relation to important bird sanctuaries area. They are identified and designed by the International Union of Conservation Nature. The designation of any areas as IBA is in India automatically give a legal protection under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The Point Climate Wildlife Sanctuaries and Pong Dam Lake are identified as IBS in India. Which of the following statement is correct? 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, and 3. Now see. First is incorrect because designation of the important bird and biodiversity area is the responsible of BirdLife International, not in the International Union of Conservation Nature. Okay, the designation of any area as IBA India automatically give it legal protection under the Wildlife Sanctuary Act 1972. It's also wrong. Designation of the areas IBA does not automatically ensure legal protection under the Wildlife Sanctuaries in 1972. Okay. And third is right, then answer only 3D. Consider the following species: Chinese pangolin, Namdapha flying squirrel, western Hoolock gibbon, and red panda and Bengal peregrine. How many of the above species are classified as the critically endangered according to the IUCN Red List threatened species? 2, 3, 4, all. First is correct, Chinese pangolin, and second is also correct, Namdapha flying squirrel. And three is incorrect, western Hoolock नहीं होता. And फोर इज इनकरेक्ट एट पांडा भी नहीं है इंडेंजर्ड में. एंड ये जो फिफ्थ है ये करेक्ट है, बंगाल पेरिकन. 1, 2, 3, 3 पेयर इज राइट. नेक्स्ट है विद रेफरेंस टू द phytoplanktons which of the following statement is incorrect? Generally phytoplanktons contain chlorophyll. Is this right? Generally. This, yes, right. And cyanobacteria is an example of phytoplankton. Yes. Most of the bird phytoplanktons are confined to tropical region. No, incorrect. Okay. And D is correct. Incorrect ही पूछा. नेक्स्ट है द फॉलोइंग आइटम कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. ओके, देखते हैं स्टेटमेंट. द chameleon changes its skin color to match with the color of the surrounding. The skin of the chameleon emits कैमलियन, ये चैमलियन जो भी है, लाइट अप द कलर्स द सराउंडिंग थ्रू फ्लोरेसेंस। कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है इसमें? इसमें फर्स्ट सही है लेकिन सेकंड गलत है, क्योंकि जो ये कैमलियन लियंस है, ये change color by the changing of space between the guanine crystals, which changes the wavelength reflect of the crystals. Okay, only one statement. First is correct, but second is incorrect. Next, consider the following. Species है, IUCN List threatened species status है, natural habitat है. घड़ियाल है, घड़ियाल जो है क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर दिया है, ये कहाँ पाया जाता है? तो ये पाया जाता है भोज वेटलैंड के, सही है। देखिए क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड है, लेकिन कहाँ पाया जाता है? ये है ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ गंगा रिवर, द चंबल एंड द गिरवाल रिवर इन इंडिया एंड राप्ती नारायणी रिवर इन नेपाल। ये यहाँ भोज वेटलैंड नहीं पाया जाता, एमपी में पड़ता है ना। एशियाटिक लायन, तो ये गलत हो गया। एशियाटिक लायन का देखते हैं, ये वल्नरेबल में है, गिर नेशनल पार्क सही है। गोल्डन लंगूर इंडेंजर्ड है, बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क, क्या सही है? तो ये इनकरेक्ट है, इंडेंजर्ड तो है बट इन नॉर्दर्न ईस्ट स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया में पाया जाता है, नाटी बांदीपुर। और ये है हंगुल कश्मीर स्टैग, ये जो है क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड, तो ये है सब स्पीसीज है, ठीक है। क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड तो है, और ये क्या है? ये डाचीगम नेशनल पार्क में पाया जाता है, तो ये गलत है, ठीक है। क्या ये कश्मीर वैली या नादन चंबा हिमाचल में पाया जाता है, यहाँ पर नहीं पाया जाता है। तो केवल एक ही सही है, ओनली वन। Consider the following statement. It is the international organization established in 1961 dedicated to protecting the world wildlife. It publishes the Living Planet report biennially. It was instrumental in the creation of Traffic, a wildlife threat monitoring network. Which of following organization described in above statement? यूनिप के बारे में, आईयूसीएन के बारे में है, कंजर्वेशन इंटरनेशनल या डब्ल्यूडब्ल्यूएफ के बारे में? तो ये है डब्ल्यूडब्ल्यूएफ के बारे में, वर्ल्ड वाइड फंड फॉर नेचर विद रेफरेंस टू द स्पीसीज and their structural characteristic. Consider the following list. Cockroach, lobster, spider, snake. How many above species possess exoskeleton? एक्सोस्केलेटन कौन कौन पास करता है? एक्सोस्केलेटन पता है ना, it is hard external skeleton that protect an animal outer surface while an endoskeleton it is inside the body. जो इंडोस्केलेटन होता है अंदर होता है, एक्सोस्केलेटन बाहर होता है जो प्रोटेक्ट करता है बॉडी को। तो फर्स्ट है कॉकरोच, कॉकरोच में होता है ऐसा, और ये लॉबस्टर में होता है, स्पाइडर में होता है, और ये लेकिन इसमें नहीं होता है, स्नैक में नहीं होता। तो 3 सही है, ऑप्शन सी हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट है चीता was recently reintroduced to India from Africa. From which language is the name of cheetah derived? Swahili, Afrikaans, Somali, संस्कृत। कौन सा है? तो ये संस्कृत, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है 26. With reference to the biosphere reserve, consider the following statement. Their primary aim to protect wildlife from any type of human interference. They can stabilize in both terrestrial and marine ecosystem. The Kutch Biosphere Reserve is the largest biosphere reserve in India. Which statement is correct? 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 27, 26. आंसर फर्स्ट गलत होगा, क्योंकि दे प्रमोट सस्टेनेबल यूज ऑफ नेचर एंड डू नॉट प्रिवेंट ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन विद वर्ल्ड लाइफ। ओके, 2 and 3 इज राइट आंसर, बी हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट है with reference to the eco-sensitive zone in India, consider the following statement. They are notified under the provision of Environmental Protection Act 1986. The minimum area of 5 km Radius around the protected area should be declared as an eco-sensitive zone. Establishment of brick kiln in the prohibited in area declared as eco-sensitive zone. Which statement is are correct? Answer will be 1 and 3 is correct. Second is incorrect. Answer हो जाएगा C. Next है 28. Which of the following is the best description of the term bioprospecting? The process of modifying the genetic of organism to make them more adaptive to climate change. The process of exploring biodiversity for new resources of social and chemical value. The large-scale planting of the generally modified crop to increase agriculture productivity. The use of naturally occurring microorganisms to consume and break down environmental pollutant. Answer will be B. The process of exploring biodiversity for new resource of social and commercial value. Consider the following statement about Ramsar wetland site in India. Gahir Matha is the habitat of the olive ridley turtle. Nal Sarovar wetland is also the habitat of Indian wild ass. So Moriri wetland is the habitat and breeding ground of Kharai camel. Which statement is are correct? Answer will be 1 and 2 correct. Third is incorrect. Okay. So Moriri wetland in Ladakh है altitude Ramsar site and important breeding around the back snack grand. Okay. 1 and 3 site. Next, with reference to the protozoa, consider the following statement. They produce their own food. They are eukaryotic organisms. Some protozoa can act as the bio indicators of the soil health. Some की बात आएगी तो सही होगा. They produce their own food. No, all protozoans are heterotrophs. Okay, and 2 and 3 is right. Consider the following statement. Marsupial are not naturally found in India. Marsupial can thrive only in the montane grassland with no predators. Which statement is correct? First is correct, but second is incorrect because in South America, the marsupial live in the tropical rainforest. Marsupial can thrive in any part of the forest habitat, from the tree to forest floor, whereas the wombat burrow underground. तो आंसर हो जाएगा आपका सी. With reference to the provision of the Environmental Protection Act 1986, consider the following statement. It empowers the central government to lay down the standards for emission of discharge the environmental pollutant from various source. The Act prohibits civil court from the entertaining suit and proceeding related to any action taken by the central government under the provision. Consider the following statement. 32. All is right. आंसर डी हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट है 33. Consider the following statement. Carrot grass, water hyacinth, and lantana camara, and goatweed. How many the above are invasive alien species in India? So all four. With reference to the National Tiger Conservation Authority, consider the following statement. It is a statutory body established under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, and it is responsible for approving the tiger conservation plan prepared by the individual state. The Prime Minister of India is the ex office chairperson of NTCA. Which statement is correct? Answer हो जाएगा. First and second is correct. Third is incorrect because Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is the chairperson of NTCA. Which of the following is not a bird? Golden mahseer, Indian nichjar, and spoonbill, and white-tailed wildfish. Golden mahseer. It's a fish, no? Not bird. With reference to the national park and wildlife sanctuaries in India, consider the following statement. Unlike the national park, wildlife sanctuaries are notified by the state government. Unlike in national park, grazing activities are allowed to wildlife sanctuaries. Unlike a national park, boundaries of the wildlife sanctuaries are fixed and clearly defined. How many statements are correct? First is incorrect because as per the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, both national park and wildlife sanctuaries can be notified by the state government. And second is correct. Unlike in national park, grazing activities are allowed in wildlife sanctuaries. Unlike in national park boundaries, the wildlife sanctuaries are fixed and clearly defined. It's incorrect. National park have clearly defined boundaries. Okay. उल्टा दे दिया ना, only one statement is correct. Consider the following legislation of the India: Environment Protection Act 1986, the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, the Air Prevention and Control of the Pollution Act 1981, the Water Prevention and Control Pollutant Act 1974. Under the how many above legislation uh, can can a case be heard by the National Green Tribunal? कौन कौन से नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल के थ्रू सुने जा सकते हैं? ओके, तो इसमें हो जाएगा वाटर वाला, वाटर प्रिवेंशन एंड एयर प्रिवेंशन हो जाएगा, और एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एंड सेकेंड नहीं होगा, वाला ये नहीं होगा, तो 3 सही है. With reference to protected area, India consider the following statement. protected area है, associated state है. पवित्रा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज वेस्ट बंगाल में है. पवित्रा तो इनकरेक्ट है क्योंकि ये असम एंड वेस्ट असम में है. एंड सत्यमंगलम वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज कहाँ पर है? सत्यमंगलम, तो ये सही है, तमिलनाडु में है. और वाल्मीकि टाइगर रिजर्व बिहार में, ये भी सही है. मुकुंदरा हिल्स टाइगर रिजर्व कहाँ पर है? तो ये राजस्थान में है, ना कि एमपी में. तो 2 सही है, ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट है, द आईयूसीएन ग्रीन स्टेटस ऑफ स्पीसीज इज ग्लोबल standard of assessing overall health of various environmental habitat in a world, impact of conservation effort on the recovery of a species, impact of illegal trade on the overall population of a species in region, anthropological threat being faced by various endangered species. आंसर बी होगा, impact of conservation effort on the recovery of a species. Which of the following statement is are correct regarding the greater one-horned rhinos? In India, they are primarily found in the state of Kerala. Hmm? No. And it is smallest rhino species in the world. Incorrect also. And they are generally live in 100 year. No, no, no. ये 30 to 45 years ही जीते भाई. And they can excellent swimmer. Yes. Consider the following fauna: lion-tailed macaque and Malabar civet and sambar deer. How many of above are generally nocturnal, most inactive after sunset? फर्स्ट चीज सही है, लायन टेल macaque. ये इनकरेक्ट है. ये जो होता है, ये नॉट ए नॉक्टोरल स्पीसीज दैट स्पेंड इट्स टाइम लुकिंग फॉर फ्रूट एंड इनवर्टिब्रेट. ये नहीं होगा. एंड मालाबार सीवेट ये होगा, ये सही है, नॉक्टर्नल है. एंड सांबर डियर भी है. सांबर डियर नहीं है, ये क्या है, दे आर प्राइमरली क्रीपर्कुलर एंड मीनिंग दे आर मोस्ट एक्टिव डाउन एंड डस्क. दे में तो ये नहीं है, एक्टिव होते हैं ये रात में भी एक्टिव है, दिन में, लेकिन स्ट्रिक्टली नहीं है कि रात में ही एक्टिव है. तो ओनली वन इज राइट, देन आंसर ए होगा. With reference to the plastic waste management in India, consider the following statement. Importance of polyethylene terephthalate flags in the country as prohibited under the hazardous and other waste management and transboundary movement rule. The plastic waste management rule advocated by the multi-layered plastic environmental compensation in the levied with respect to the non-fulfillment of the extended and producer responsibility target under the plastic waste management rule. Which of statement is correct? 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 2. What do you do? Statement only 3 is right, others wrong है. तो ये हो जाएगा. With reference to the global biodiversity, what common among the dodo, thylacine, and stellar sea cow? They are deciduous organisms that feed on dead and decaying organic matter. They live in the symbiotic relationship with other organisms. They are all extinct species. They are invasive alien species causing severe damage and several ecosystem. 43. आंसर हो जाएगा सी. They all are extinct species. The reference to fungi, consider the following statement. Penicillin, one of the earliest antibiotic, is derived from a fungus. Some fungi play an important role in the breaking down organic matter and enriching soil fertility. One and two and both and neither. कौन सा सही है इसमें? Both are right. Next, which of the following is used in preparing a natural mosquito repellent? Congress grass, elephant grass, lemongrass, and nutgrass. It's lemongrass. With reference to the comparison between the seagrass and seaweeds, consider the following. Um, While seagrass are flowering plant and seaweed do not produce any flower, unlike seagrasses, seaweeds can only survive in shallow marine water. Unlike seaweeds, seagrasses do not have true root or leaves. Seagrass are limited to tropical regions, whereas seaweed are found in throughout the world ocean. Which statement is incorrect? Incorrect पूछ रहा है भाई इसमें. First is correct. Seagrass are flowering plant and seaweed not produce any flowers. Yes, this correct. Second, unlike seagrasses, seaweed can only survive in shallow marine water. So seagrass thrive in shallow and sunlight coastal water because they require a sufficient light for photosynthesis and stable sandy and muddy substance to anchor their true root. Seaweed can grow in broader range of depth. Okay, this is wrong and third, fourth is also wrong. 2, 3, 4 is wrong. India has more than 50,000 different strain of species. Rice. Which of the following types of biodiversity best refer to the above given scenario? Species diversity, ecosystem diversity, gamma diversity, and genetic diversity. Answer will be genetic diversity. Okay. Next, consider the following statement. Hedgehog and marmot and pangolin. To reduce the chance of being captured by the predator, which of the following organism roll up and protect its their vulnerable part? 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. Marmot नहीं है, बाकी 1 and 3 is right. Option D. Consider the following statement about the green Indian bustard. It is one of the heaviest flying bird in world. It has the highest reproduction rates among all bird species in world. In India, it is primarily found in the wetland and Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It is classified as critically endangered on ICN red list. Which statement is correct? 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, and 2, 3, 4. So first and fourth is right answer. It has highest reproduction rate among the all bird species in world. This is incorrect because great Indian bustard knows to how to slow reproductive rate. Okay. Consider the following body है, legal status है, function है. Central Groundwater Authority है, statutory. It regulates the control, management and development of groundwater in the country. This right? This is correct explanation. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau क्या है? Statutory, advising the government in the design and maintenance of the slaughter house of the unnecessary pain of suffering of animal of eliminated. Second is incorrect. It is a statutory body, right? But Ministry of Environment. Okay. And next Central Zoo Authority. Central Zoo Authority. इट सेंटर जो अथॉरिटी नॉन स्टैट्यूटरी, तो ये जो है ये एक स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी है। सेंटर जो अथॉरिटी प्रोवाइड टेक्निकल एंड फाइनेंशियल एसेस टू द जूलोस, तो वो टेक्निकल एंड फाइनेंशियल एसेस टू द जूलोस। गलत है, केवल एक ही सही ऑप्शन है। तो 50 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हुए। कितने सही हुए बताइए आपका। ठीक है, तो वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद जय भारत।